Okay, hi everybody. Welcome to week 12. Apologies for the delay in the publishing of this module. I had a couple things going on this weekend and earlier this week that caused the delay in it, and I apologize about that. I try to be punctual, but sometimes things happen. I even had a cancel class earlier this week. But here we are now, publishing the module. So because of that, I'm only going to have one section, section 7.3. Uh, some videos are quick, some are a little bit long just because we're still doing like initial value problems with Laplace transforms. And as you guys know, they take a while. But yeah, so thank you for the patience. I'm only having one section. And because of the delay, I'm not having a quiz this week. Okay, so all you got to do is just watch the lecture videos, homework discussion, and then homework. All right, so you guys see here assessment. There's no quiz option. So. We're just only one section, no quiz. So then, yeah, it's about 7.3. It's the still learning about Laplace transforms. It's the last thing we're going to learn for Laplace transforms. It's about operational properties like translations. And so, yeah, kind of the same idea. So since this one section, I'm kind of like beefing up the how many questions there are for the assignment. And so, uh, adding a little more questions than I normally would, just because we're doing one section. Some of them are quick, but some of them are like initial value problems that might take a little bit. But that's kind of the idea. So here I have it due Thursday, and then it closes Sunday. But because of my delay, I think I'm just going to leave that open a little longer. So I'll probably just leave it open till um, the, I think maybe like that Tuesday. So like maybe. The 5th. Okay, so I'll change that for you guys, and that's because of my delay in publishing this stuff. Okay, but I guess that's pretty much it for this module. One thing I also want to say for this week, because I am publishing it this week, uh, is the project. All right, so I'm going to publish this module as well right now. Today. So yeah, this is a project module. Just make sure to look through it, look through what the project is talking about, what it requires, and then the project video. Okay, so make sure you watch that so you get an idea what's going on. And then I just have a lot of resources in here as well. Like the project interest form that you need to submit, and then project topics that you might want to choose from, and then previous projects from students of mine. So make sure to check that out. I have a whole video on it. Make sure to watch that. And yeah, so one section for this week, and here are the videos. There's quite a few. I Some of them are short, okay. Some of them are just introduction. So make sure to check them out. One of them is very long though. I apologize for that. The last video, solving an initial value problem. This one is very long. I kind of made a note here, so just be careful with that. Um, maybe not even watch it. Maybe you could just like copy down the notes. It's up to you. Uh, but I think that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I apologize for the delay again. You'll see this published today. Okay, but thank you and take care.